Launch code. Access granted.
Hello, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And in this video, my friends, we're going to talk about the section of your reasoning through language arts where you have to write an essay, okay? So let's get started. Okay, my friends, so on your reasoning through language arts exam, you guys are going to be given 45 minutes to write an essay. Okay, so you're going to have to type it actually. Okay, and this is how it's going to work. You guys are going to be given two passages, of which these two passages have the opposite opinion or the opposite point of view from each other, and your job is going to be based on those two versions, those two different opinions that you are going to read. You're going to write your own passage and you're going to give your own opinion about that topic. We don't know what topic or what two passages the topic is going to be. Okay, the topics are everyday life things. It can be something like, militarization of police. It can be like something about the clean energy industry. It can be also about drug usage among teenagers, some everyday in life topics. Okay, so once again, you're going to be given two passages with opposite opinions or point of view, and your job is going to be to write your own passage based on the two opinions that you are going to read, or the two passages. Okay, so now when you write your passage, okay, you guys have to make sure that you give your own opinion. Okay, you're not going to try to persuade or convince anyone otherwise. Okay, and when you write your passage, these are very important concepts that we need to keep in mind. Okay, number one, this is how your essay is going to be scored. Number one, make sure that you answer the question. Give your opinion exactly on what these two passages are talking about. Okay, next, make sure that you use some organization. If you guys are going to have to use some kind of a story, or your answer is going to be like a develop or a evolvement of your same answer, make sure that you use some chronological order. Okay. Next, make sure that you stay in topic. Okay. Don't get off topic. Don't start blaming other people, countries, or culture. Okay. For your opinion. Okay. People don't care. Well, not for the GED exam anyways. Okay, so now you may be asking yourself, okay, but what is an essay? How do I supposed to write an essay anyways? So well, the essay on your GED exam needs to be at least 5 paragraphs. Okay, so what is a paragraph anyways? A paragraph is composed by 5 sentences. Just remember this, my friends. 5 by 5 paragraphs, or of 5 sentences each. And we learned in a past class what a sentence is. It's a complete thought. We learned what a full sentence is. So you have to have 5 of those in order for you to create a paragraph. I believe that GED actually only asks for the minimum of 4, but I like to do 5 because 5, that way I make sure that I'm writing enough. Also, writing 4 paragraphs, I just don't want to risk it because it just makes me feel that I'm just writing just enough to get by, just enough to pass. And that should not be your goal. You should try to score the best score that you can get. Okay, very nice. So now another thing that is very important, now that we know that your essay should have 5 paragraphs, okay, of 5 sentences each, I'm sorry. Now we should now work or think about the structure of our essay. So for example, I have 5 paragraphs that I'd like to write, for my essay. So the first paragraph of the essay, the purpose is to give your opinion and 3 reasons that supports it. Okay, very nice. The second, third, and fourth paragraphs discusses each of the reasons that supports your opinion. Okay. Finally, or the fifth paragraph restates what you say on the first paragraph and your final thoughts. It may also include a little information from the other paragraphs, but finally, and most importantly, the purpose of this paragraph is to summarize your essay and, of course, also to give your final thoughts. Okay? Very nice, my friends. So, actually, this is the way that I will map, or this is the way that I will build my essay based on. Okay? This will be the instructor of my five paragraphs. Um, Another thing that I highly recommend is to avoid the following words. Okay? Avoid using the words you, men, women, he, or she in your essay because you're not trying to blame or you're not trying to say that it's either you as someone, whoever is reading your essay, men or women's fault or the reason or the cause for your opinion on your essay. Make sure that you use words like we, I, they, us, people, okay, a person, someone, anyone, but try not to use names or try not to, especially, I mean, one of the things that I try not to use the word you because you is not your fault. Is you are not the cause for my opinion or my essay. It's not the people. When you say you, it's like you're saying it to the person or whoever is going to read your essay. By the way, your essay is going to be read by a computer, but however, if it comes back um, that is not be able to be written or something, a human in Austin, Texas might read your essay. Well, you also want to use this as a general rule whenever you write anything, an article, or when you write something on the internet. You don't want to use the word you because you're telling the reader that is you and you did not do anything. Okay. Another uh, tip, another thing that I highly recommend is that you guys read, 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 and read. The more you read, the better your English is going to be, the more words you're going to learn, and also the better you're going to know how to write those words on your essay. There are always a lot of words that one always think that you should spell it or write it a certain way, and when you read it somewhere else, it turns to find out that you've been writing that word wrong all your life. So you don't have to read very elevated or boring books of English. No, you can read whatever you like, whatever entertains you. Okay, it can be a website, it can be a magazine, it can be about any topic that you like. As long as make sure that that you don't obviously you don't go to crappy sites on the internet where they use nothing but slang or short words, to write. So just make sure that you use reputable sources of information to read. And like I said, you can read about stuff that you like, okay, and topics that you like. It doesn't have to be something boring, and it doesn't have to be El Quixote or something like that. Very nice. All right, my friends. Now, those of you who are taking my GED class in person or online, you guys are more than welcome to write a practice essay about whatever topic you like. Of course, you're not right now. You're not gonna have. I'm not giving you two passages so that you can write your own opinion, but you guys can just make up a topic, anything that you like to write about, or you can ask me for a list of topics and I can send them to you. You can write an essay, send it to me, email it to me, and I can give you a constructive critique of your essay so that I can help you pass or I can help you write the best essay you can write so that you can pass this section of your essay, okay? Of your exam. This section is very important. You will not pass the reasoning through language arts module or test on your GED exam, even if you get all the rest of the questions correct. But if you write a bad essay or if you don't pass your essay question, you're not going to pass the exam. You need to pass both the essay part and the questions and answers part of your test. Okay, well, very nice, my friends. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a like, and if you don't, please don't do anything. And I hope, guys, to see you in our next lessons. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Launch code. Access granted.